Hey guys, it's Jacob, and I'm a credit analyst, and today we're going to the bank. And today we're going to talk about credit.
Whee!
Credit is your ability to borrow money and then the ability to pay that money back over time. A credit agreement, also called a contract, includes the interest, which is fee that the bank charges to get the loan.
Oh, come on!
Having good credit means that you are smart and responsible with paying back your loans.
You smart. You very smart.
On the other hand, having bad credit means that you missed payments on your loans.
Uh-oh.
No credit means that you don't have any loans or loan payments on your record.
Oh, no.
Your credit history is a history record of all your loans and loan repayments. Your credit report contains data on your credit history, showing your current and past credit loans. The 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, each keep a copy of your credit report, and you can get 1 copy a year for free.
Woo!
A credit check is when a business requests your credit report as part of an application for a loan, an apartment, or sometimes a job. A credit score, also called a FICO score, is a 3-digit number between 300 to 850. Scores closer to 300 means that you have bad credit. Scores that are closer to 850 represent great credit.
Okay, let's go, baby!
A business that gives you a loan is called a lender. Lenders look at your credit score to see if you are responsible at paying back your loan. Your credit score has a big impact on which credit cards and loans you'll be able to get approved for. Your interest rate is based on your credit score. Higher credit scores give you access to more credit with better terms.
Woohoo!
When renting an apartment, they pull your credit as part of your rental application.
Wait, what?
A bad score can disqualify you
Huh?
or require you to put down a larger security deposit or force you to find a cosigner.
No.
Some employers may review your credit history when applying for a job.
What?
A bad score will get you denied.
What?
Building your credit before you're ready to buy a house will help you access lower mortgage rates.
Let's go!
It takes time and consistency to build up a good history.
Woo!
Want to see more Animal Bank?
Woohoo!
Do you want more coconuts?
Woo!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you want to see next. In the next video, let's look at the steps that you can take to start building credit.
Yeah!
Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos pa' allá, vamos pa' allá. Ay, no quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.